Khorok Bachichar Agri Assistant ni Training Chenhjakkha Horticulture and Horticulture Crop Center Research Center do. Haste haponi juda tangbetego joint recruitment board eba JRP ni bisingti kabamo borok tangjamoni. Haste haponi hukbar hamkaite hukbar tangbetego JRP ni bisingti Khorok burira thamsino Swrangchati. Aba hakeno kereng amsirago sebokbo join khlaibeka. Tabok borok ni tabok training khlairi jagi jago. Sangrongshalo bubak rakor Agri bekana nagechara amsayo. Tongma Horticulture and Horticulture Crop Research Center ni Conference Hall logo kaisa pandani bisingti Khorok Bachichar Agri Assistant dono saljini bagai phurungmung eba training panda Chenhjakkha. Asani panda Research Center ni Conference Hall kaisa pandani bisingti training Chenhjakkha. Mannairokni tangbidik ni dagifang Dr. Phonibushan Chamatia tangbidik ni Deputy Director Dr. Rajiv Ghosh Tripura Agriculture Marketing Bedikni Dagifang Deepak Kumar Das Kobei Kobori Adongrok Panda Chengmoni Yaglo Mannairokni Adongrok Nangkukmoni Shamoni Kok Shamani Logi Panda Paibari Ulo Training Clarine Rogno Training Mandarin Rogno Plot Beradika
Plantation crops, flowers and non-farm activity like mushroom. There may be others also. We are also part of the Department of Agriculture. We have the separate wing, Directorate of Agriculture and Directorate of Horticulture. And we deal with 5 aspects, especially 5, you can say, groups. What we have just told that about the horticulture, fruiticulture, then spices, plantation crops, and of course horticulture. So now we have around 1.40 lakh hectares of horticulture area in the state of Tripura. We have the gross crop area of around 4.5 lakhs of area under cultivation, both agri, horti or other also. So we cultivate these horticulture crops in an area of 27 to 30% of the total gross crop area of agriculture. But in terms of production, it is much more higher than the agriculture production because of the genetic potentiality of the crops. We have around 59 crops altogether being cultivated in the state of Tripura, and most of them are vegetables. We have around 7 to 8 numbers of fruits, and spices of course 3 to 4. Plantations also we have 3 crops. This cashew nut, erica nut, coconut, and new crop has been added by this time very recently. It is oil palm, and we also have the potato. So our main vision for horticulture is 3 specially. One is to meet up the nutrition requirement of the human being. That is that you know that horticulture crops are rich in different vitamins, minerals that we need to feed to the human being for their dietary requirement, not for this one for their daily food requirement, but it is a nutrition requirement. Another one is to increase the income of the farmers. I can tell the horticulture crops are much more remunerative than any other agriculture crops because of its high valueness, and also the productivity is much more higher than any of the agriculture crops. And another one is to feed the industrial requirement as a raw materials. As you know that there are many food processing industries that we need to feed the requirement of those industries like pineapple especially, and jackfruit of course, and many other are there. So we need to produce this thing, and also the self-employment. And from the earning of horticulture crops, you can sustain yourself and your family also. So these are the objectives. Of course, now what we are doing from the horticulture side for the benefit of farmers especially. Actually, we have to motivate the farmers to go for more area expansion and ultimately to increase the production. So these are the main activities. Increase the area of the particular crop, horticulture crops, in the farmer's field, always to increase the production by way of increasing the yield. So, and we have 4 to 5 schemes under the Department of Horticulture, and the main is MIDs, Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, that is a central sector scheme. Another one is the newly introduced this National Mission for Edible Oil and Oil Palm. Next one is of course it is the combined RKBY, and we also get the fund from NEC, Northeastern Council, and we have this National Mission for Beekeeping and Honey Mission also. And there are these are the few schemes, and of course we have the state plan through which we also implement many of the beneficiary oriented programs in the state of Tripura. And sometimes we club the assistance from the state plan, also from the central sector scheme, and make the assistance more for the farmers. So these are the few activities that we are carrying out. Also we have some subsidiary activities like creation of water source through WHR, that is water harvesting structure. We also promote this vermicomposting unit, and we also help the farmers to set up this nursery for production of planting materials in the private sector. And we have around 44 government orchards under the department. There we produce the different planting materials required for the farmers under schemes, different schemes. These are the main, and we also have different, you can say, mother plants or other plantations of different crops. The produce is sold to the market through auctions, and we have the mushroom activity also in the state of Tripura, and many farmers are becoming self-sufficient through the cultivation of mushroom. Now popular mushroom being this oyster mushroom, now people trying to produce the most demanded mushroom, that is called button mushroom also. Here you can see one of the officers has done very good job by making this button mushroom production successfully in this horticulture research complex. Of course it is somewhat expensive, maybe convenient only during the winter. That oyster mushroom is being produced throughout the year, and many farmers, not less than 600 farmers are cultivating this mushroom. May not be in the professional way, but there are at least 40 to 50 entrepreneurs.
You are employed now, so you did a lot of education. I mean, I heard that somebody is a postgraduate, doctorate, or in different disciplines you have taken the highest degree. So to start with your professional life, so your first job is Agri assistant, so you may shift elsewhere later on, that is separate issue. But I hope it is a good start with the agriculture department, because it is very, extensive in nature, and you can mingle with lot of people. You have got a lot of scope to mingle with the people who feed us, the farming community, the extension personnel, and also you will have chance to work in different sophisticated laboratory like tissue culture laboratory, mushroom laboratory, and biotechnology, a lot of things, because you can exploit yourself by engaging or by delivering your knowledge and wisdom to the respective or specified area. So anyway, I will not lengthen my welcome address, because later on number of talkers are there. They will be delivering their talk on the respective subject. So anyway, once again I welcome you all. So just prove that who you are, and also do it on a purpose, as Dolin Rebecca Parton, one philanthropist, said. So all is well. Good day.
In this department, as well as in today's induction cum orientation program. আজকের এই যে ওরিয়েন্টেশন প্রোগ্রাম, you are one of the batches which is going from continuing from last 5th February throughout the state. আমাদের ডিপার্টমেন্টে 430 জন অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট TFS grade 3 and non-TFS মিলে 430 জন তো JRBT এই ডিপার্টমেন্টে আপনারা জয়েন করেছেন। You all have come through appearing competitive exam like JRBT. তো আপনারা কয়েক লাখ ক্যান্ডিডেটের মধ্য থেকে নির্বাচিত হয়ে 430 জন সিলেকশন পেয়ে এইখানে এই ডিপার্টমেন্টে সুযোগ পেয়েছে। So don't take it so casually that you are lucky enough you got this opportunity to serve in such a department which is responsible for providing food, production of food, supply of food, which is the basic necessity of human being. And you are involved in that department. আমরা কোন ডিপার্টমেন্টে কাজ করছি? এগ্রিকালচার, ডিপার্টমেন্ট অফ এগ্রিকালচার অ্যান্ড ফার্মার্স ওয়েলফেয়ার। সো আমি এখান থেকেই শুরু করব। যেই ডিপার্টমেন্টে আপনারা জয়েন করেছেন, এই ডিপার্টমেন্টে আপনাদের রোল কি হবে? হোয়াট উইল বি ইয়োর জব রোল?